I've said this over and over again in my videos. There's nothing better than a community, a place where you can go, where you can feel comfortable and confident talking about your trading strategies, your trading history, wins and losses without feeling ridiculed. I have been in so many other groups over the past couple of years where nobody actually cares. The only people who care are the ones making money off you. Well, I have to tell you that this group, my group, the group that I have put together, the team of people inside the group that have come together organically are just like you. We want to show people that you can still have a positive community of positive people that will actually care about your future in the trading. Okay, I'm going to give you a small little token of what this group is all about. I'm going to share some testimonials and stories with you. But let me say this. I cannot thank the people enough inside my Telegram group. We are nearly 1,200 people. And let me tell you, everybody is supportive. This is not an ego trip. This is not people showing off. We are honestly here to buck the trend. We want to change how people perceive binary option groups. This is not a VIP group. You don't have to pay money to be in it. Just join. Share your story. We share tips, tricks, strategies. You know what? Let me just show you. Here we go. Look, check this out. Okay, I'm going to bring this up right here. So this is the starting landing page of the group. It is called My Odyssey Investing. That's the name of my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to it, please do. Come on over to the Telegram group, join the group so you can, like I said, jump in and speak with like-minded people like yourself. Okay, so look at that. Just under 1,200 people. Now, I've been trading for a couple years now, and I started this Telegram group literally like back in January. And it was a slow start for sure. But as more and more people and more traction, more and more people came in, they understood what the goal of the group is about, okay? And it is literally, no joke, about helping people, okay? I'm not here to take a cut. I just want to help people change their financial lives. That's the truth. Okay, so the general group, this is when you land, this is what it's going to look like. It's a little welcome message, talks about how to get the ultimate money manager, talks about subscribing to the channel, okay? The tools that we offer inside this group, okay? You want to get into those. All right, next we have the Trading Academy. So inside the Traders Academy are little nuggets or information about different types of things that you would need to understand when you are trading, like indicators or strategies or stop loss or overtrading, emotions, stress, psychology, all that good stuff. We share that inside the Traders Academy. And also too, we have one of my moderators, Gaylord Adonis here. He has been instrumental in helping the team move forward and to be positive, and little tips and tricks that he gives. His guidance has been a breath of fresh air for the group. So he creates videos like this where he talks about different strategies, talks about different indicators, and then outlines them in very, very simple detail so you can get a really good video, of that specific topic. So thank you to him for that. Okay, contests. I do run a contest every once in a while, usually 1 or 2 a month. And I give away things like the Ultimate Money Manager, where it's a money management tool where you can, here, I'll pull it up right here. This is the Ultimate Money Manager. So this essentially lets you not have to worry about what you're trading. You get to focus on just the charts, and you get to focus on your trends, your strategy, and what you're doing there. What this will do is this will just manage your dollars. So you have a starting point, you enter it there. And then how many trades you're going to win for the day? Well, maybe you're going to win. You're going to go for 3 of 8, and you want to win, I don't know, let's call it $30 a day. So, well, let's call it, let's say this $100 a day, just so this will change. There you go. So You want to win 3 out of 8. You want to make $100 a day. It's going to take you 2 levels. So this will automatically update for you. And then if you lose, it tells you what the next trade is. If you win, you win. You lose. Okay, essentially it does everything for you, and then it lets you know when your trading session is done, because you need to complete 2 levels. So when this level is complete, you'll then do level 1 here and then move on. So that's the Ultimate Money Manager. Come on over to the Telegram group. Like I said, you can join in and grab that too. Okay, so that's that. So that's the Ultimate Money Manager. And then other things I gave away. I gave away $5 to 10 lucky people. All they had to do was comment, like, and share on one of my videos, and they were entered in, and I gave away $5 times 10 people. So yeah, so I do that. So that's good. That's a little perk just to say thanks for being in the group. All right. Now the main pocket options topic, or the main pocket options group, is this one right here, where we talk exclusively about pocket option. And people post, as you can see here, they post, including myself. I had an incredible day today where I basically lost 2 out of, I don't know, it looks like 20 trades there. So anyways, it was a great day using my latest strategy, which if I show you on my YouTube channel, so right here, so the latest strategy I posted was this one right here. So where is it? Latest, yeah. This one right here. So the Ultimate Beginner's Guide, which is using a 2, a 5, and a 100 moving average. And it's been doing really well. I did an update video there, but it's a very, very simple and easy beginner strategy that honestly anybody can do. It's a few indicators. You're looking for trend momentums. Anyways, check out these videos here. This one, and this one, they all talk about virtually the same thing. I show live trades. I break it down so you can see how to do it, all that jazz. In my videos, I talk about and outline all of the trades. So I break them down. I show you how they work. I show you why I got into it. This is not rocket science. This is just straight up how, who, what, where, when, why. Okay. And you can find that in all my videos. I'm not here to swindle anybody. This is legitimately just me doing my thing with legitimate real dollars. And so anyways, yeah, check those out. So I appreciate it if you like and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Back to the Telegram group, because I wanted to bring in a couple of different posts from people in the group. So here's one right here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So here's one right here where he this is CM 1985, and what he does is he shares these market structure posts basically on a daily. Breaks it down, how to get into it, why to get into it with his strategy. And it is a constant flow of positive information that you can pick up on, that you can talk about. You can ask tons of questions. Okay. CM, he's awesome. He's very, very good at getting back to messages. Actually, so is the team. The team likes to jump in and help out wherever they can. Okay. So kudos to CM 1985. The group would not be the same without you. So thank you for that. Okay, next let's talk about a little thank you note from one of the members. So this member right here, EmuD talked about the Ultimate Money Manager and how they completed 12 levels to have a $20 gain, and says, that it was rough, but thank you to the Ultimate Money Manager. That this person didn't get into revenge trading and then otherwise lose everything. So discipline, tools, positive reassurance, sharing stuff like that is amazing. Thank you, EmuD for posting in the group. It goes a long way. I appreciate you. All right, I got another testimonial for you right here, and this was again someone who won the $5 contest. It says, thanks, Odyssey, which is me, for the contest of $5. I just want to share heartfelt appreciation. As many of you know, there's a lot of YouTubes out there that promise the secret sauce in binary options trading, easy strategy, beginners. You can trade, from $1 to 32,000 and so on. Yeah, as I'm sure that this may work, it is definitely 99.99% of the people are going to fail at it. And then what she says here is the missing piece is the community, which is what she says right here, where you can ask questions and grow, and other people are struggling with the same challenges. And then you can see how others are overcoming them, where people stay positive and motivated and champion each other. That's what the group's about. Positive motivation, championing you to be better at what you need to do, which is winning trades. This is what we're doing in this group. So come on over. Anyway, so yes, thank you to Luciano for posting your heartfelt message. I really appreciate you and everything that you do inside the group. Thank you for that. All right, I got another one for you right here. This is Raymond, and Raymond came over a long time ago. He's been in the group for a while now, and he just was starting out, was just dabbling, didn't really have any direction. And now to this day, he's using the Ultimate Money Manager. He is implementing live trades, whereas he was on demo for a long time trying to hone his craft. And Raymond, I have to say thank you again for being in the group, because your growth in this journey is a good beacon of hope for those who are lost and who don't know what to do. And you came to our group, and we were able to help you find your way, find your trades, and then get you up and running. So here's to future continued success for you, mister. Thank you again for being part of the group. You're a valuable member as well. Okay. So I think that covers everybody. Oh, I got one more. Because this Mosan, so this is Mosan. He came over not too long ago, maybe like, I don't know, 2 months ago, let's call it. And he hit me up in a DM first and was like, hey, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm lost. I'm just losing. I'm losing. I'm revenge trading, blah, 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 all this jazz. And I just put a pause, just calm down. And, I just told him, I said, listen, we are going to help you get back on the right track. And sure enough, posting in the group. And so now here we are. We'll call it 2-3 weeks, maybe a month later. And like it says right here, when I first joined this channel, it was about a month ago, but honestly, I wasn't really focused. Less than a week ago, I decided to start following everything seriously. And in this short time, I've learned so much that would have taken me a whole year to figure out on my own. That's huge. That is a massive testament to the group and the community, to everybody that's in there. Not just the names that I've listed, but every single person that is inside this group is making an impact on somebody else's life. That is a massive win, in my opinion, okay? This experience has taught me some very valuable. This channel has saved me from making mistakes and shown me the right path. Thank you, myodysseyinvesting. Investing. Myself, I'm gonna shout this out to the group because it's a group event. It's a group effort. You are a hero, thousands of people, not just my life. Happiness, prosperity, success, always love you. So super, super appreciative. I can't thank you for those little heartfelt messages. Honestly, like I said, everybody who is part of this team, part of this group, I wanted to make this video to say thank you to you. Thank you to you for being in this group. Thank you for you to following along with this journey and helping others. You yourself are growing, you yourself are changing, and you yourself are also changing other people's lives for the better. So that's it for today. Again, thank you to the community. Thank you for joining the YouTube channel. If you are not part of my team, please like and subscribe to the channel. Come on over to the Telegram group. Have conversations. Post your information in the group, just like this, just like these people are. Every single day, people are posting questions, how to, what to. How does this indicator work? What do I do here? Somebody check out these trades. I'm trying this, I'm trying that. Come over and say hi, join in. Anyways, that's it for today. I know this video wasn't about posting a strategy and all that jazz, but you know what? I wanted to say thank you. I wanted to say thank you to those who are part of this community. Okay, thank you. Have yourself a good night.